Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial brought to you by Bricks and Mortar Creative. You can visit our website www.bricksandmortarweb.com, and if you need to download the source files for this tutorial afterwards, links in the description. This is just a quick tutorial on how to use PHP include. It could be very useful for things like navigation, footers, where you only want to have one source file to update one time versus going page by page by page to update information. It's great for people who are just getting into web design. So basically what you see here is just a really simple template. I didn't want to get too in depth with the code so that you could see really what was going on. This is what we have, just link 1 through link 6. That's what we're focusing on. So you can see here we have our links in an unordered list, and they're hard-coded into our page. So if we were to duplicate this page for every subsequent page in our website, we would have it hard-coded into each page. Instead of hard-coding it, we're going to make our navigation dynamic. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to copy this unordered list. Then we're going to create another file called nav.php. Now, I personally like to save all my includes files. However you want to do it is fine. The more organized you are, the easier it'll be for you though. So we have nav.php, and all I did was just copy and paste that unordered list into nav.php. You want to make sure that there's no other information in this document other than the unordered list. Similarly, if you're doing it with something else, the only information you want in the document is the information to be displayed. Once we have that, we'll go back to where our navigation is hard-coded in and delete that out. What we're going to do is replace that with a block of PHP code that says PHP include, and then we tell it what file to include. So we're going to tell it assets nav.php. And when we save that, we have that block of code and nothing's changed. Wanted to add new links, change the link titles, change link URLs. We would only have to go and change that link one time in nav.php, and it would affect the menu globally, as opposed to having to go page by page and to update each and every link. If you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to drop us an email, info@bricksandmortarweb.com. And like I said, the download for all the source files will be in the description, so feel free to download to practice.